In this video, I'll show you how to create and share a Google Doc. First, you need to open Google Docs. To do that, open any web browser and search for Google Docs. Then click on docs.google.com. This will take you directly to Google Docs. Once you're there, you can create a new blank document or choose one of the available templates. After opening a document, give it a name by clicking the title at the top. I'll name mine Tutorial Video and press Enter. You can now start writing your document. Next, let's look at how to share it. There are two main ways to do this. Click the Share button in the top right corner, which opens the sharing options. From here, you can invite people by entering their email addresses. After typing an email, press Enter and choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the document. Click Send and they'll receive an email invitation. If your document's general access is set to restricted, you may need to approve their access first. Alternatively, you can share the document using a link. Click Copy Link, then change the access setting to Anyone with the link, if needed. Once copied, the link will be saved to your clipboard, and you can paste it into any messaging app to share it instantly with someone you trust.